Sukuta, I am going ahead. You follow me, okay?
Why should I follow you? I'll go ahead and you follow me.
Okay, fine. You go ahead. I will follow you. Hey, Sukuta, please walk slowly. Otherwise, they will come to know.
Yeah. Don't teach me. I know everything.
Hey, who is it? Who is it? Hey, who's there? Who is it? Who's over there? This means that cat is again here. Let it once come in front of me. I will show her then. Gaura's dad has bought this vase with so much of love for me. And this naughty cat broke it all.
Thank God. We got saved.
Yes, my friend. You saved us. Otherwise, your mom would have beaten us hard.
Now don't talk too much and follow me very, very slowly. Hey, extremely slow, okay? Dad is sleeping.
Okay, let's go.
What a bad smell.
Hey, Sukuta, what a bad smell. What the hell are you doing, man? Is this the time to fart? What if Dad would have woken up?
Hey bro, is there any specific timing to fart? It comes when it wants to. And farting is also an art. Everyone does not have the technique to fart the way I do. And not everyone has the art of farting with great smell.
Hey, shut up, you farting king. Don't give such lengthy lecture on farting. Now walk quietly. Hey, Sukuta, see there. This is our first target.
Hey bro, how will we take this? It's so high.
Okay, wait. Let me do something. Sukuta, you stand on this. Hey, are you able to reach there?
No, I'm not able to reach there, Gaura.
Hey, please try a little harder.
Hey bro, I'm trying, but it's not happening.
Okay, fine. You come down. Let me think something. Yes, Sukuta, do one thing. You stand on my shoulders.
No. You will not be able to carry me. No.
No. Nothing will happen. You just sit on my shoulders. Sukuta, hey, are you able to reach now?
Yeah, bro. I am able to reach there now. My friend, there are so many laddus here.
Man, this dog will create trouble for us. Go. You go from here, else mom will come. You go.
Hey, Gora, don't shake so much. Otherwise, I'll fall. No.
Hey, what happened to Banchanidhi? Why is he barking so much? Maybe she might have seen the cat again? Today I will not spare that naughty cat. Hey, you naughty boys. What is all this? You guys behave as if you don't get to eat at all. Did you not find any other house that you came here for stealing? And I am thinking that cat is doing all this here. Wait, I will not leave you guys today.
Please leave me. Please leave me. Please leave me.
Help. I'll not eat laddus ever. Help.
You go. But your friend is in my hands now. I will beat him so much that he will get wounds of the broom all over. And if I don't do this today, I will change my name.
Leave me, please. Please leave me. Please leave me. I'll tell you who I am. Please leave me. Don't beat.
Where you think you can go to save yourself, huh? You think you can steal in my house? Oh no, this is my Gaura. Oh Gaura, my son, my dear, I beat you so much, my love. Oh God, there are so many wounds on my son's body.
Hey, Suruma, look at this. I caught hold of the other thief as well. Wait, I will show you.
Leave me, uncle. Please, leave me.
Hey, you are calling me uncle? Who are you? Hey, who are you? Tell me. Oh no, this is our Sukuta. Hey, Sukuta, you?
Hey friends, if you like our video, then you can like, comment and share it. And yes, one most important thing. The people who have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it right now. Because I can guarantee that we will not disappoint you. If you guys really love us, then please give us that love via likes. And one more thing. If you want to watch the rest of our videos, then please be in touch and keep watching our channel.